You can also change the settings of this lock. A couple of settings that are particularly useful. It is important to note that auto lock will be turned on as a default. You can turn off auto lock. However, this is not recommended because once auto lock has been turned off, your lock will stay engaged and it will never switch off. Which means if you forget to lock it, your lock will always be open, which is not ideal. So it will just always be open. The only time switch the lock off and disengage the lock is by using the app, and it's really not ideal. So if you realize that your lock isn't locking, it's not auto locking, it's most likely because you have accidentally turned off auto lock. Make sure that auto lock is switched on. Okay, you can set the delay. You can set the delay in which it auto locks. You can change it here. You can even select the volume of the lock here.